Welcome to my channel, my respected friends and viewers. Today is the fifth topic of our series concerning artificial intelligence or AI in the early childhood education and care. Today's topic is related to incorporating AI in the human diagnostic analysis to detect autism early in a child. So let's begin today's journey. AI plus human wisdom for ASD, Autism Spectrum Disorder, early detection to lifelong support. In 2019, when I first worked on this topic and presented to senior educators and nurses, no biological test for autism existed. It was behaviorally defined. In 2024, AI tools like AS Detect that analyze eye gaze in infant with more than 80% accuracy exists. Along with it, there are many other tools as well. But this diagnosis is the step number one. The magic happens when the therapist use this data to design play-based interventions. For example, using early start Denver model. AI is a flashlight, humans are the guides. Duke University's 2023 study used AI to analyze eye movements in infants, flagging autism risks with 90% accuracy. By tracking how babies looked at faces versus objects. But here's the catch: AI rules ended here, whereas therapist work started. Parents in the study reported knowing early let us adapt our home environment. More eye contact games, less fluorescent lightings. This is the golden triad. AI detects, human acts, and the child thrives. There are two widely used techniques. Let me share with you for your information. One is pivotal response treatment, PRT, and the second is early start Denver model, as I mentioned earlier. Both the model use different supporting tools, apps, and gadgets. PRT explicitly targets social motivation. It enhances child engagement and parent child synchrony in movement by movement exchanges. It is a play based behavioral treatment therapy initiated by the child. PRT is based on the principle of applied behavioral analysis, and pivotal areas include motivation, response to multiple cues, self management, and initiation of social interactions. Whereas early start Denver model, this is therapy designed for toddlers and preschoolers with autism spectrum disorder ASD or with early signs of ASD. Young children diagnosed with other kind of developmental and behavioral disorders can also use this intervention. It teaches children how communicating with others can help them, so they are motivated to keep trying. It also aims to improve communication skills and self expressions. Early Start Denver model team is usually made up of a therapist, early intervention staff, and parents who work together to develop tailored program for the child. Um, Typically, the program objectives includes activities targeting at the skill development. Approach is used in three different settings: one-to-one intensive teaching or therapy sessions, a typical preschool setting, and home. AI's breakthrough roles: early detection, eye tracking for autism, vocal pattern analysis for speech delays. Assistive tools include speech generating apps, dyslexia friendly text highlighting, and training for adults are such as simulators to help parents practice therapy techniques. AI's most ethical use isn't replacing therapists but arming them with data. Example, in Australia, daycare staff use AI powered wearables to track toddlers' motor movement. If a child avoids scrolling or crawling rather, the system alerts educators to prompt targeted floor play without labeling the child. The key is in using AI as a magnifying glass, not a judge. For parents, tools like Autism Navigator offer AI guided training to read early cues, such as reduced babbling, turning homes into early intervention hubs. The danger of full replacement, skill atrophy, AI speech apps leads to less motivation to vocalize. Another is emotional gaps. No AI can model when to whisper versus shouting. Data regs 70% of disability apps sell behavioral data, so privacy is lost. When AI replaces human therapy entirely, the consequences are stark. Dependency, for instance, non-verbal kids using only speech apps may stop attempting oral language thinking the device talks for me. A 2024 study found these children had weaker mouth muscles development. Misinterpretation is another area. An AI might translate a child's frustrated scream as I am angry when a human would recognize pain. Stigma, peers see the child as the tablet kid, not a friend. The antidote, co use. In Ontario, therapists prescribe AI tool for practice but insist on device free playdates to nurture organic communication. AI for educators and parents, not kids. For educators, AI powered observation tool to flag development delays, stimulators to practice IEP, individualized education plan strategies. For parents, AI guided floor time therapies prompt, autism play home. Virtual reality trainings to understand sensory overloads. Imagine a preschool teacher wearing AI glasses that subtly flag a child's lack of eye contact during story time. Instead of intervening in the moment, which could shame the child, the teacher later adjusts activities, maybe using puppets to gently encourage gaze. Similarly, parents in Japan, for instance, use AI lullaby, which analyze babies' cries to suggest soothing techniques for the parents to try, not automated rocking. This preserved the human bond while leveraging AI's pattern spotting. As one therapist told, AI should whisper to adults, not shout at kids. Case study. Let me share with you a case study about AI plus human hybrid therapy. Program AI detects speech delays, therapists design games, and parents reinforce at home. Result 45% faster progress than AI only or human only, according to the university study 2023 in Finland. In Finland's Chat Child pilot, AI gazed or analyzed toddlers babbling for phonetic error, then sent weekly play ideas to parents. Make animal sounds during bath time. Therapist reviewed progress monthly. The AI didn't interact directly with the child. It empowered adults to respond intentionally. One mom shared, I would never have noticed my son struggled with K sound until the AI pointed it out. Now we turn it into a game. Kick the ball, not hit the ball. This is the model to replicate. AI spots, human scaffolds. Ethical guardrails, transparency. Parent must know how AI detects delay. No black box tool. Privacy ban apps selling disability data. Output allow analog alternatives for all interventions. Ethical red flags are everywhere. Bias, for instance, AI trained on Western data misdiagnosed speech patterns in bilingual kids, labeling Spanglish as delayed. Profit motive. Apps like speech bulbs lock advanced features behind paywalls, disadvantaging low income families. Overdiagnosis: an AI might flag a shy child as autistic based on limited eye contact. Solution: demand peer reviewed tools. For example, FDA cleared AI diagnostics and insist human confirm all AI flags. Call to action for schools: train staff in AI interpretations, not just use. For parents, use AI detection tools, but you lead the play. The policymakers fund hybrid therapy models, not AI only subsidies. Next time you see a AI tutor for autism, ask: does this put a screen between the child and the world, or equip adults to bridge the gap? Demand tools that amplify humanity, not replace it. Share your stories. Um, that's for today. Um, we will see each other again with the sixth topic. And till then, you look after yourself. Take care. It's bye bye for now.